Hi everyone, welcome if you're new here. Hello, my name is Melanie, and if you're returning friends, thank you for coming back and watching another unboxing here on our channel. I've always told you guys my love of false lashes. I didn't know that they have subscription for them, so I think that this subscription right here will send you guys lashes and also some makeup. Let's not prolong this video. So if you guys want to see and excited about my new subscription, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel before you leave, and please do turn on that notification bell so you guys don't miss out on all of my unboxing here on our channels. If you guys want to explore this new Lash subscription with me, then just keep on watching. So when I do my subscription for the first time, I really do go in depth with information. I give you everything that I can, so you can definitely look at your options if you want to explore the subscriptions with me. So this company is called Lashy Box. So this is what your box are gonna look like when you get it in the mail. It is so cute. Love attention to details in their box. You have the winking eyes and you have false lashes on the box, so right away you can tell that they are kind of putting out extra money on their box, so that's really good. So Lashybox is a monthly subscription. It says that you will choose your box, so they do offer 3 types of boxes. You have a full, which is the one that I'm subscribed to, then they have drama, and they also have mini. You can do monthly, which is what I'm doing, and then you can pay every 3 months, or you can pay every 6 months, and then you do the shipping. It is not free shipping. Mine took 2 days to get to my house. I didn't think that I would get my November box. I was expecting to get a December Lashy box, but I got mine in 2 days, so I was excited. Mine is a full size, which is the one that I'll be showing you guys today. It is $13.99, and then my shipping was $2.65. I get 3 to 4 pairs of lashes, and then I can get some makeup items and also some tools. And then the drama box is $12.99 a month plus shipping, and then you will get 3 to 4 pairs of luxury, high-end, very dramatic lashes. So they are 25 mm in length or longer. And then it says that you occasionally will get tools and makeup items. And then you also have a choice of getting a mini box. It is $99 a month plus shipping, and you will get a 2 to 3 pairs of lashes. So if you are new to false lashes, you just want to try them, you're not sure if you like them or if you can even do them, then this is something that you can try. So I have 4 lashes that I see in here and some shadows and brushes. I'm gonna talk about the makeup and the makeup tools first, and then we'll get into the lashes. So these are the brushes in this box. This is from the company Ruby May. It looks like this is a crease brush, and then we have a flat, probably all over brush, and a more of a packing brush. This is more of like a on-the-go brushes. You can definitely pack this on with your travel bag. It's really pretty. You have that ombre bristle, so that is really cute. Now we have 2 eyeshadow. That one kind of shift, but this is from the company Suva Beauty. This is a pressed shadow. I'm also gonna give this away, so I'm just gonna take it out of the plastic bag, but I'm not gonna touch the shadows. I'm not gonna touch the shadow, I'm not gonna swatch it, but this is, it says eyeliner. This is a matte eyeshadow. This is from Suva Beauty, so we have 2 shadows from this company. So this is a pretty good single shadow, pretty big one I should say. So this is this one right here. It's such a good fall shadow right here, the color. So this one right here is a shimmer shadow. This is Bula. Shimmer. It says shimmer eyeshadow. Definitely a cute shadow together. There's a pretty big pan right here, so I'll do like a Lashy box giveaway in the future, so keep an eye out on that. The first pair that we have is It says 3D Silk Lashes. This is in the style Star. This is what it looks like. It is long all the way around, so they're all the same size. Ooh, it's really soft, you guys. The hair is really soft, so that is really nice. Let me check out the band. The lashes that I used to use back in the day, that they're like eBay lashes. The bands are so stiff, you guys. It's like so hard to use, and I thought they were good lashes. So the bands are really soft. It's bendable, so it will definitely bend to your eyes. I love this style, you guys. I used to just go for the short to long lashes, but the ones that I have on right now, this is not from this company, but the one that I have on right now is long all the way, and I love them. So this is kind of like this style right here. Before I start applying all these lashes, I just want to show you guys all my go-to products when I am applying my lashes. So the lash glue that I use is the Duo brush on adhesives. This one right here, I buy this on Amazon. I will link it in the description below. You can just buy it. It is so affordable, and you guys, it stays on your lashes really good, and when it's time to go, it comes off really easily. So this has been my go-to, you guys. And for lash application, I cannot live without this lash applicator right here. You guys, I got this on Amazon as well. I will link this one as well. I mean, you can use tweezers, and you can also use this kind right here. It's just the shape of it. You guys can see a big difference. It just works better for me. And then, you guys, I think probably the most mistake that people make when they are applying lashes is not fitting their lashes with their eyes. I made this mistake. I make this mistake. Sometimes I just get lazy and I don't do it. So I'm gonna show you guys one time, because I know that these lashes are pretty long for my eyes. I have small eyes, so I know that I have to definitely cut them and definitely size them up onto my lashes. So this is in the style Star right here. So I'm gonna take one. So most of these lashes has extra ends, so I just cut them off so it doesn't poke my eyes, especially the inner corner. So if I put this on my eyes as is, just like that, it will definitely drag my eyes down. It will make it droopy because it is way too long. We want our lashes to definitely go up like that. I can already feel poking on my inner, and also it's, you know, bringing my eyes down. So I just need to cut a little bit of this on the end. So that's what I'm gonna do. Just cut a little at a time, and then, you know, try again. So that is good. Don't want to cut too much. The next pair that we have is Fairy. So this one, I know it kind of looks like it's the same as Star, but they are different. So this one has more of the short to long hair. So on the inner part of your eyes, it is shorter, and then it gets longer, because that's how usually our natural lashes, you know, we have shorter hair here and then it flares out here. So this is what that lashes is mimicking. This one looks like it has the same band as that one. The hairs are really soft. The hairs are curled up. So I really like that. I cannot wait to try this on. So this is in the style Fairy. This is a 3D silk lashes as well. When they say 3D lashes, it just means that it has a lot of layers on the lashes. When a lashes is not 3D, it's just one layer, so it is very natural. When it's 3D, it is layered up together. It gives you a lot of volume on your lashes. Now the third pair that we have is from CasCosmetics. CasCosmetics. This is a premium 3D lashes. It says this is a premium synthetic silk fibers. This is a vegan and cruelty-free brand. So this is what the packaging looks like. You know, love the clear packaging so you can see your lashes. So this one has more of a shorter hair. See how this one is really long, so this one flares out more. So this one has, it's not natural because obviously this is not a natural lashes. This is definitely gonna give you that full lash, but it's definitely not as dramatic as the other one. So this is what this one looks like right here. Let's go look at the band on this one. So the band on this one is a bit thicker than the Lashybox ones, but it's still bendable. It will still definitely bend into your eye shape. If lashes just won't bend, it just won't curve, then that will just give you problems for days, you guys, because they would just keep on straight like that. You know, if you can bend lashes this way, then that was definitely, you know, manageable. So it's definitely longer in the front, but it's the same size on both ends. So that is really pretty. Can't wait to try this one. And then the last pair that we have is from the company Venusgale Cosmetics. Hopefully I didn't butcher that, but this is what it looks like. The packaging is really pretty. This is what this one looks like. It's definitely pretty long. Let's see. It's about the same length as the first two. This is definitely a 3D lashes as well because they are layered on top of each other, and it does have like a little crisscross pattern on them. The band is the band is pretty flexible as well, so that will definitely bend your way as well. So this one, it looks like the first layer is shorter than the top ones, or vice versa, but that will just give you like different flares on the lashes. All of them, you guys, are very comfortable on the eyes. The only one that I didn't have to trim is the third one right here, the shortest one. That one fit perfectly on the eyes. Definitely let me know on the cards, you guys, which one is your favorite style. The ones that I'll show you guys today. My favorite, you guys, I think I like the Lashy Box ones, the fairy ones, the one that is short to long ones. I think it flattered my eyes really nicely, so I think that one is my pick. But every single one of them, I think it is really nice. It will definitely go with different looks, you know, different makeup looks for sure. So different occasion, I should say. So yeah, let me know in the cards which one is your favorite, and then on the comment section let me know if you're interested in this subscription. I will definitely leave a link directly to the site, information about the lashes, the prices, all that good stuff. If you guys have any questions, just ask me. I will definitely answer it as, you know, as well as I can, if I can. And I don't know why I didn't think about this before, because I love lashes. Lashes is definitely something that I cannot live without. Something, like I've said, is a staple into my makeup look. I cannot wait to start picking out my favorite ones and just, you know, have the ones that I really like. I cannot wait to show you guys more boxes from this subscription. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please do subscribe before you leave. So thank you guys for watching, and like always, I will catch you on my next one. Bye guys.